Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel. By the title, you already know what we're here for. I'm sharing my gua sha stone and jade roller routine with you guys. The very first step would be to apply a moisturizer on your face so that you can glide the gua sha stone or jade roller very easily. I prefer applying aloe vera gel on my face along with vitamin C or niacinamide acid. Anything works fine for me. Slim face is a totally controversial topic. My chubby face has always been my biggest insecurity. I lost weight, too much weight, but my face was still chubby and I feel it is still like that. But I'm still working on it. I really feel using the gua sha stone and jade roller has definitely given some dimension to my face. So here I'm starting off with the gua sha stone. This is not a very expensive gua sha stone. I ordered the set of gua sha stone and jade roller from Flipkart, which hardly costed around 250 rupees. I have seen many gua sha stone tutorials and have noticed everyone starts with the neck, but me being me, I don't follow things really properly, so I start with the jawline, and I don't think that makes much of a difference. I'm doing it for the results and I'm actually getting it, so yeah, I have tailored the procedure according to my convenience. You can also do that. You can see I am gliding the stone all the way till the end of my jaw, and I am going to repeat the procedure 8 times on both sides. Now I am holding the gua sha stone at an angle and gliding it upwards in the direction of my ears. I feel like this step really depuffs my face when I am bloated in the morning or my face is very puffy in the morning. I try to do this step and it actually makes a difference. Following a gua sha stone and jade roller routine is a very crucial part of my self-care and skincare routine because I really love pampering myself. I mean, who doesn't? Now this is how I'm going to hold the gua sha stone and rub it right under my eyes. You have to be really careful while doing this because you might accidentally hurt your eyes, which you don't want to do. I prefer doing this at night because it really helps me soothe my skin and I sleep really well after following this routine somehow. And I love how depuffed and energized my face looks in the morning. Now I'm going a little lighter on my forehead because it's a very sensitive place and I tend to get more pimples on my forehead, so yeah, I am trying to avoid any excessive pressure on it. You have to trust me if I say this step helps in reducing headache, because one day I had a really bad headache and I tried to do this and it actually healed it. I was really surprised. While following the routine, if you feel like you need more moisture on your face, you can always go back and apply some moisturizer or aloe vera gel. As I said, I don't follow a particular order of doing this, but at the end I remember that I have to run the gua sha stone on my neck too, so that's what I'm doing here. Doing this really gives me a satisfaction that I have a really defined jawline, even though I don't. So now I'm going to start with the jade roller. As I said, I'm going to start with the jawline first. So I'm just placing my fingers so that my skin is not moving around and I don't hurt myself. I really feel that my left profile is much better than my right profile. I don't know. You guys can comment and let me know. For the jade roller too, I'll be doing 8 repetitions on both the sides of my face. You really have to enjoy this process. I mean, why wouldn't you? Because it will really help you rejuvenate your face. And yeah, here my hair got tangled in the Jade roller. I have literally seen so many videos where people say that Jade roller doesn't do anything for their face, but for me it has done wonders. Like, this is the day 3, I guess. Yeah, this is the day 3 of me using Jade roller along with the gua sha stone, and I think I'm getting amazing results out of it. So I'm gliding the Jade roller under my eyes and I'm holding my nose with my fingers because it makes it much more comfortable to follow the routine. I'll do the same thing on the other side. Also, a gentle reminder, please don't forget to see the results at the end of the video. I promise you won't be disappointed. Now I'm going to glide the Jade roller on top of my eyebrows. I cannot express how wonderful and calming this feels. I mean, according to me, Jade roller and gua sha stone routines are the best form of self-care. So basically, both the tools, Jade roller and gua sha stone, have their own benefits. The Jade roller helps in exercising the facial muscles and it helps in reducing puffiness on the face. Whereas, on the contrary, gua sha stone is used as a skin scraping stone which helps scraping your skin, and it also helps in contouring the fat of the face, and it also helps releasing the deep tension in the muscles. And now I'm gliding the Jade roller on my neck area. This routine is not mandatory to be followed on a regular basis. You can do it weekly or even monthly. I've been doing it for a few days and I'm getting very good results. So that is my Jade roller and gua sha stone routine. So now let me show you guys the result. So this is how my face was looking 3 days before. I came back home from the event and I started doing the gua sha and the Jade roller routine, and here are my results. You can see the double chin is literally gone and I can see the defined jawline. I mean, it's there. Something is there. Please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up if you like the video. Bye.